Growing up in Jackson, Mississippi, we didn't have much, but I had big dreams. I love doing my own hair. I used to practice on my sister and my best friend, and I was just super proud of myself when I made $2 doing my friend's hair. Even back then, I feel like God was showing me that there was purpose in my hands. My grandmother was actually a hairdresser, but back then they called them beauticians. And so beauty was around me all the time. But once I got behind the chair, the connection with women was unreal. I realized very quickly that they needed more than just beauty. They needed to be heard. They needed someone that they could trust. I learned confidentiality. I learned when they wanted to be heard. I learned when to speak, and I learned when to just listen. And I think that being open and real with my clients is what made women feel connected to me and trust me. And that's when I realized that my purpose wasn't just beauty. It was about helping women build peace, confidence, and purpose in their life. And I realized women needed each other. That's when I created the Confidence for Women with Samantha Hill Facebook group. I would go live every week, and the women would give me topics that they wanted to talk about or things they wanted to do together online. Shift Your Confidence was really written from a very personal place. It started with the queens in my private Facebook group, but honestly, it was healing for me too. I created 100 queens who restart, rebuild, and rise because I realized there are so many amazing women and small business owners who get overlooked on social media because exposure matters, visibility matters. And sometimes women are so focused on surviving life that their gifts go unseen. My faith gives me peace and guidance. Brown Baptist Church has helped me to stay connected to God's word and learn how to apply it in real life. Because honestly, work and success can only do so much. My faith is what keeps me grounded.